everyone, please welcome. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. My HUMMER H2 Keyfob. Keyfob is not working. None of the buttons are working. Locking, unlocking or panic button. It could be a dead battery. To open the Keyfob, if you look at on the side, there is a big notch. You can insert penny or dime that will be perfectly fit into that slot. Or you can use house butter knife. Put your butter knife here and just twist it. Or the pocket change. You just do it like this and it opens up. Then you just open it. In order to take out battery, a nail or a smaller screwdriver, you just put it in here, and if you see there is a spring, you just put it inside and just press it once and it will pop out. And if you look at the battery, this is CR2032 and we're going to replace it with the new one. And we're going to take out the new one, remove the protective film. Inside it says positive side up. So the positive is up, then you press it. That's it. And that's all simple. Put the cover. Once you put the cover, then we're going to press it. And it snaps in. After replacing battery, the key fob is working. If your key fob is not functional, please check your batteries before you think that your key fob itself become bad. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and for more HUMMER videos, please check it out my other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.